Okay, so we will do revision of the chapter fractions today. So you need to note down in your fair copies. Take out your fair copies, everyone, and in your fair copies, write down the heading revision and the name of the chapter fractions. And then note down these questions in your copies. I'm giving you the first question. Write 4 equivalent fractions for the following, for each of the following.
Sir, Shashwat Gupta present. So what we are doing?
Better, it is written on the board.
Sir, we have to write this in our fair copy.
Yes. For each of the following fractions. So write 4 equivalent fractions for each of the following fractions. So first part 2 upon 3. Second part 7 upon 11. And third part of the question 4 upon 9. You have to write 4 equivalent fractions for each of the following.
Sir, can we write directly? Like we have to do a method or we can write directly?
Yes, you can write directly if you want. If you know how to do it, you can write directly.
Sir, please.
In this case, not in every question.
For
In these type of questions, you can write. Yes. Yeah, any doubt? Start doing. I hope you all know how to write equivalent fractions.
yes, sir.
Sir, I have done these questions.
Sir, I have done. Sir, please wait. सबने एक ही आ रहा है डन गायब हो गया ये देखो मैंने अनब्रेकिंग 3 लगाई थी और देखो इतनी सारी हो गई अनब्रेकिंग 3 लगाई थी इतनी सारी एक्स्ट्रा मिल गई अब मुझे Sir, I have done the questions.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Sir, not done.
Sir, done. Sir, third is 4/9.
Okay, I'm telling you the first one. The rest of the parts you can do. I know you all must know, must all have done all the parts, but still I'm just because this is revision, I'm for your help, I'm telling you the first
Sir,
part. So what you can do here, you multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. If you multiply numerator and denominator by same number, you get a fraction which is equivalent to the given fraction. So 4/6, like I have multiplied by 2 in the numerator and also in the denominator, multiplying by same number. So you get 4/6. So this is
forgot that why are we dividing 2 into 2? Oh, sorry, multiplying.
beta, we want equivalent fractions. To get equivalent fractions, we multiply numerator and denominator by the same number.
Sir,
But it is not an equivalent fraction.
It is not an
Sir,
equivalent.
it is the equivalent fraction.
This is not an equivalent fraction. Rishika,
Sir, it is the equivalent fraction. It is equivalent.
let me talk to Rishika, please. All of you. Rishika, this is not an
Yes, sir,
equivalent.
it is. Yes, sir, it is. It is.
So
Sir, done all answer.
Sir, I want to say something.
yes,
Sir, can we write direct the answer?
you can write the answers directly also. 2 into 5 is 10 and 3 into 5 is 15. So you can get different answers, no problem if you are getting different answers. There could be as many answers as you want. All the answers are correct. If your method is correct, then the answers, you can get different answers also. You can multiply by 3/3. You can multiply by 4/4 also, whichever you like. So these are the three equivalent fractions. Similarly,
Okay, sir, please.
we had to find four. One more. Okay, one more we can do. 2/3. Now let us multiply by 7/7. Any number you can take.
Sir, there are 4 questions or 3 questions?
There are three parts.
Okay, sir.
2 into 7 is 14 and 3 into 7 is 21. So 14/21. This is another answer.
Sir, I am getting
Okay, sir.
4/6, 6/9, 8/12, 10/15.
Correct.
Sir, is it correct?
Correct.
Like
Correct.
I have done 2 into 3 things like you,
Correct, correct,
but
correct.
I have done 2/3 into 5, but I'm not.
No problem, beta. Correct. Okay, ready for the next question? I'm not going to
Sir, please.
not going to do the second and third part. I hope you all have done second and third part.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir, please wait.
Okay, question 2. Second question. Reduce the following fractions to the lowest term. First part 49 upon 63. Second part 24 upon 36.
Sir, what is written in question A?
49 upon 63. Third part 50 upon 125. B part 54 upon 144. Do these 4 parts, all of you.
Sir, what is written under 29?
Sir, please explain first one.
49 upon 63 is the first part.
Sir, what is written under 29?
What is, sorry? Second part is 24 upon 63, 36, sorry. 24 upon 36. Third part is 50 upon 125. Fourth part is 54 upon 144. These are the 4 parts.
Sir, when you was explaining the first one, sir, that was an example. Sir, my audio was disconnected and I was not able to hear you.
But till now, I have in this question I have not explained anything. Till now.
Okay, sir.
जैसे 2 क्वेश्चन
Keep your mics off, everyone. The screen is paused or is it moving? Screen is paused or
Sir,
is
it is. Sir, it is moving.
it is moving? You can see my hand moving.
Yes, sir.
sir. Oh, sir. Only black screen is coming.
Beta, that is some network problem at your end. You are facing some network issues.
So the screen is proper to me.
I'm thinking of, because of this extra usage of internet, I'm thinking of starting a new broadband service.
Yes, sir, but sir, in
Sir, it's the first answer is 7/9.
Keep your mic off, all of you. Do you want me to tell the first one to help you in the first one?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, first one is 7/9.
Yeah,
Yes,
the answer
sir.
of the first one is 7.
Yes, 7/9 is the correct.
Okay. 7/9 is the answer of the first one. Now you all please don't discuss the answers. I want you all to do them on your own. Don't share your answers.
Sir, I have done. अरे
Sir, in question 1, we have to write. Sir, in
Sir,
question 1, we have
sir,
to
can you
write.
tell the answer of first?
Sir, one only. 7/9 is answer.
7/9.
Answer of
Okay,
the
my
first
answer is
part
correct.
is-
Sir, my answer is correct.
I am telling you all the answer of only the first part. Now no one will discuss the answers. The first part answer is 7/9. Okay. Now you all will not discuss the answers. I want you all to do them on your own. And don't share your answers.
Sir, done all. Sir, done all.
Sir, not done.
Sure, Saxena has done.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, now let others also do.
Sir, the answer of fourth one is 9/20.
Beta, don't share your answers. I have told you.
Sir, I have done all the answers.
Send the answer in the chat box.
Yes, you
Done
can.
all the answers.
You can send your answers in the chat box.
Sir, as I am using laptop, how can I send my answer?
Beta, you can send your answer in the chat box. There is a chat icon
Okay, sir.
on your screen.
Sir, send it. You can see. Sure.
Sir, I have sent my answers in the chat box.
Answer board one, please check it.
I am going to share
Please
all
tell
the.
my answers are correct or not.
I am seeing all the answers. Now I will give you answers of all these parts. Okay.
Sir, please tell my answers are correct or not.
You can see I'm telling all the answers on the board. You can check from here. So HCF of 49.
Please tell only one answer, not all.
HCF of 49 and 63 is 7. So when you divide 49 and 63 both by 7, you get 7 upon 9 as the answer. Okay.
Sir, I have written the answer
Sir, my first
directly.
answer is correct.
Here,
Sir, my first answer is correct.
Answer is correct.
the
Sir, 12.
HCF is 12. Answer will be 2 upon 3.
Sir, 2 upon 3. Sir,
Sir,
this
my
is
answer
also
is
correct.
correct.
25.
25.
2 upon 5. 2 upon 5.
Sir, 2 upon 5.
25.
Keep your mind.
2 upon 5.
Sir, 2 upon 5. My
Point
answer is
2
correct.
upon
The last
5.
one is 3 by 8. And the last one is 3 by 8.
Yes, sir. 3 upon 8.
Okay, so now you all will not be able to mute yourself, unmute yourself. You all were talking together. Okay, so just listen, you can verify your answers. I know you all have done. You all know very well how to do these questions. So here the HCF of 50 and 125 is 25. 25 is the HCF. I hope you all know how to find the HCF. We have done it many times, finding HCF. So 50 and 125, the HCF is 25. You can divide both the numerator and denominator by 25. You get answer 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5 is the answer. Okay, 50 divided by 25 is 2 and 125 divided by 25 is 5. Here, there are other methods also of doing it. So you can do by using any method, no problem in that. You can do directly also. You can, if you want, you can show the method. If you want, you can show how to find the HCF also. That is your choice. If you want, you can do directly also, no problem. And if you want, you can use some other method also. But the answer should be correct. 54 and 144. The HCF of 54 and 144 is 18. 18. So dividing 54 by 18, you get 3, and dividing 144 by 18, you get 8. So these are the answers. First part, answer is 7 upon 9. Second part, the answer is 2 upon 3. Third part, the answer is 2 upon 5. And fourth part, answer is 3 upon 8. Okay. Let us do 2 more parts in the same question. Same question, 2 more parts. Part E and part F in the same question. E part 28 upon 14. Sorry, 28 upon 98. 28 upon 98. F, last part of the question. 91 upon 117. 117. 91 upon 117. Start doing. Same question, two more parts. I hope you all are doing.
Sir, I have sent you the answer.
Okay. Correct answer.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I have sent the answer on the chat box.
Okay, let me check. Correct answer.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I have sent you 61. Sir, I have sent you 61 also.
Okay, very good.
Thank you, sir.
यहाँ पे कुछ है
Sir, then both of the sir, then both of the questions.
मेरे में व्हाट्सएप डाउनलोड ही नहीं है, कितना भी डाउनलोड कर लो।
Sir, then
Sir, I have sent the answer in the chat box.
Okay, good, correct
sir,
answer.
then
Correct answer.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now let us discuss these two.
Sir, please wait.
Okay.
करियो।
Sir, please solve.
Okay.
Sir, I sent my answer in chat box. Please check.
Okay, I'm
It
going to
is
check
wrong.
it.
Sir, is my answer correct? Ishika Mittal.
Just wait, beta. I'm telling you all the answers. Yeah. Ishika,
Sir, is my answer correct?
first one is not correct. You can simplify it further. Yeah. So 28 and 98, the HCF of these two is 14. 28 upon 98. The HCF is 14. This means answer is 2 upon 7.
Sir, my was that only.
Divide 28 by 14, you get 2, and 98 divided by 14 is 7. So this is your first one.
Yes, sir.
And second one,
sir, my answer is correct.
91 and 100.
7 upon 9 divided by 13. It will come.
7 upon 9 divided
Sorry?
by 13.
Okay.
So divided by 13. 9 divided by 13. 7 upon 9.
upon
91
9.
and
Divide by 30.
again you all have started
13 and that's why
together.
the answer
7 upon 9.
9.
Again you all have started talking together.
7 by 9. 7.
Beta, please be
Sir, it
quiet.
will be divided by 30.
I know you all have done it. Very good. I know the HCF is 13. Don't speak together. Okay. 91 divided by 13 is 7 and 117 divided by 13 is 9. 13 is your HCF and answer is 7 upon 9.
7 upon 9.
These are the two answers. Tomorrow we will continue with the revision of the chapter fractions.
Okay,
And-
sir.
Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Okay, thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Have a nice day. Have a great time.
Okay, same to
Thank
you.
you for
Bye, sir.
Thank you, same to you. Take care. Bye bye.